This is Akashvani Mangaluru. Dear listeners, in today's Talk in English program, Dr. Narendra VG, Professor, Department of Computer Science and Engineering, Manipal Institute of Technology, Manipal, will now speak on the topic, Is Artificial Intelligence Replacing Human Intelligence?
The rapid advancement of artificial intelligence has ignited debates and discussions across the globe regarding its potential to replace human intelligence. AI, with its ability to mimic human like cognitive functions such as learning, reasoning, problem solving, and decision making, has indeed made significant strides in various fields. Artificial intelligence is the intelligence possessed by the machines under which they can perform various functions with human help. With the help of AI, machines will be able to learn, solve problems, plan things, think, etc. In the field of technology, artificial intelligence is evolving rapidly day by day, and it is believed that in the near future, artificial intelligence is going to change human life very drastically and will most probably end all the crises of the world by sorting out the major problems. Our life in this modern age depends largely on computers. It is almost impossible to think about life without computers. We need computers in everything that we use in our daily lives. So it becomes very important to make computers intelligent so that our lives become easy. Artificial intelligence is the theory and development of computers which imitates the human intelligence and senses such as visual perception, speech recognition, decision making, and translation between languages. Artificial intelligence has brought a revolution in the world of technology. AI is widely used in the field of healthcare. Companies are attempting to develop technologies that will allow for rapid diagnosis. Artificial intelligence would be able to operate on patients without the need for human oversight. Surgical procedures based on technology are already being performed. Artificial intelligence would save a lot of our time. The use of robots would decrease human labor. For example, in industries, robots are used which have saved a lot of human effort and time. In the field of education, AI has potential to be very effective. It can bring innovative ways of teaching with the help of which students will be able to learn the concepts better. Artificial intelligence is the future of innovative technology as we can use it in many fields. For example, it can be used in the military sector, industrial sector, automobiles, etc. In the coming years, we will be able to see more applications of AI as this technology is evolving day by day. Considering the marketing, artificial intelligence provides a deep knowledge of consumers and potential clients to the marketers by enabling them to deliver information at the right time. With the help of AI, the marketers can refine their campaigns and strategies. Considering to the agriculture, AI technology can be used to detect diseases in plants, pests, and poor plant nutrition. With the help of AI, farmers can analyze the weather conditions, temperature, water usage, and condition of the soil. Considering to the banking, fraudulent activities can be detected through AI solutions. AI bots, digital payment advisors can create a high quality of service. Artificial intelligence can surpass human cognition in the analysis, diagnosis, and complicated medical data. Science that helps machines learn on their own with human like intelligence through a combination of deep learning, machine learning, and data science algorithms. Technologies like neural networks, natural language processing, robotics processing, cognitive sciences, mixed reality, etc., make machines more intelligent. As a result, machines systems make decisions the same way we do in our daily lives. This machine decision making system is fueling debates like human intelligence versus artificial intelligence. To give you a good perspective about this hotly debated, we will today discuss the advantages of artificial intelligence, importance of human intelligence, and risks of artificial intelligence to human and their daily lives. Movies like Iron Man, Terminator, Eye of the Smith, and Age of Tomorrow teach us that sooner or later there will be an increased dependence on robots, bots, humanoids, etc. The West, especially Hollywood, looks to machines to think and act like humans for the facts of the real world. Robots, bots, humanoids, digital humans, star children, etc. are examples of movies. Sophia is the social humanoid robot developed by Human Robotics, Hong Kong. Sophia can do everything that you do in your life. Plus, she can answer any questions you may have. As a robot, Sophia is now an official citizen of Dubai. You can watch her interview from her first public appearance in March 2016, Texas, USA. Today, many AI powered applications have faster execution speeds, higher operational efficiencies, better work efficiency, and better decision making accuracy than humans. We know that human intelligence stems from adaptive learning and personal experience, but AI requires free fed data. It is true that for the hardware and software of machine or a robot, our human memory, brain computing power, and body composition as a whole seem insignificant. The only reason we see these advanced machines, systems, and robots as aliens and instinctively fear them is the same as we are afraid of lions in the jungle. What we have been getting from Hollywood movies like Terminator is that in human intelligence versus artificial intelligence, AI is more likely to dominate us. But as an industry expert, we would say that our brains are more complex, sophisticated, and deeper layers that machines cannot beat any time soon, at least not for the next 35 years. Let's go back to the artificial intelligence versus human intelligence debate. Recent AI achievements closely mimic human intelligence but cannot go beyond the human brain. Our mind acquires knowledge by sense of understanding, reasoning and experience. The way we feel everything, most importantly, emotions, separates us from digital machines. Your mind and heart make the importance of human intelligence above AI. However, with the development of AI, the risks of artificial intelligence are increasing as we cannot use our brains and hearts to their full potential. Although machines mimic human behavior, the ability to make rational decisions is still lacking. Machines need the next level of development where they have to process common sense. This development will take years because common sense varies per human. This means that AI systems do not understand cause and effect, while we humans do everything on the basis of cause and effect. Our decisions benefit certain sections of human society. Yes, artificial intelligence has made our work easier, but there have been many failures, such as Uber's self driving car kills a pedestrian. IBM's Watson supercomputer is described as unsafe and wrong in treating cancer. The artificial intelligence enabled facial recognition system is biased towards colored skin tones by identifying innocent people as criminals. All these disasters ask us to improve the capability of artificial intelligence by improving AI technology with proper algorithms and data. Otherwise, AI will no longer coexist with our morals, ethics, and competence. We have many types of human intelligence, such as morality, ethics, abilities, intuition, instinct, reflex, accuracy, precision, timing, quality judgment, sense of understanding, reasoning, learning, and emotions, and much more. Human intelligence is infinite. If AI is to be become the equivalent of human intelligence, it must know advanced techniques to process different types of human intelligence. For this, AI uses subsets deep learning. Deep learning works on the concepts of human reflex and nervous system. A neural network similar to the brain, machines and robots are being taught to apply intelligence and knowledge to real world scenario. As learning progresses, machines will start adopting humanity, and one day AI will find a way to match the frequency of our brains. Now we look into the challenges and limitations of artificial intelligence. While AI has made significant progress, it still faces several challenges and limitations that make the complete replacement of human intelligence unlikely. Contextual understanding, creativity and innovation, ethical and moral decision making, common sense reasoning, emotional intelligence. Rather than replacing human intelligence, artificial intelligence is more likely to complement and enhance it. The relationship between AI and human intelligence can be described as symbiotic. AI can augment human capabilities by assisting in complex calculations, data analysis, and information retrieval. For example, doctors can use AI to analyze medical images, leading to more accurate diagnosis. AI can handle mundane and time consuming tasks, allowing humans to focus on more creative and high level problem solving activities. AI and humans can collaborate effectively. For instance, autonomous vehicles require human oversight and intervention in unpredictable situations. AI systems learn from humans and vice versa. Human can train AI models to improve their performance, and AI can provide recommendations for human learning. The idea that artificial intelligence will replace human intelligence is a misconception. While AI has made significant progress and demonstrated remarkable capabilities in specific domains, it still falls short in many areas that are inherently human. Instead of viewing AI as a threat, it is more productive to consider it as a tool that can enhance and augment human intelligence. The future likely holds a symbiotic relationship between AI and humans, where each complements the other's strength and compensates for their weaknesses. The coexistence of AI and human intelligence has the potential to drive innovation and solve complex problems that were previously unimaginable.
Dear listeners, you have just heard a speech. Is artificial intelligence replacing human intelligence? Delivered by Dr. Narendra VG. This talk came to you from the studios of Akashvani Mangaluru.